Welcome to the ALGO-CRM feature playlist. In this video, we will explore name document. First, we will start from the company page, where we need to select a company. I am selecting Arihant Solution 2. Now, we are on the dashboard of ALGO-CRM. From the left menu panel, navigate to Administration, then select Configuration, and finally choose Named Document Config. Named documents allow you to create predefined document types that can be attached to different modules like Enquiry, Support, Task, Quotation, Contract and many more. They help standardize document handling and make it easier to manage and share attachments across the system. Here, you will get some default options already created, such as Enquiry, Support, and Product. If you want to create a new named document, click on Add New, which will open a form. This form has two fields, Name and Form. In the Name field, you can enter any name as per your requirement. In the Form Name field, you will get a drop-down to select the form for which you want to create the document, such as Contact, Executive, Organization, Enquiry, Contract and many other forms. Here, I am entering Named Document in the Name field, and in the Form Name field, I am selecting Contact from the drop-down. Now, I am clicking on Submit, and the named document will be displayed in the named document list. Now, let's understand this with an example. Here, I have created a named document for Contact. Let's take a look at it. For this, from the left menu panel, we will go to Administration, then select Masters, then Contact Masters, and finally choose Contacts. To view the named document, we will click on Add New and then go to the Attachment option. Here, you will see the named documents grid. In the document name column, the name you used while creating the named document will be displayed, and it will be visible in the named document entity. Here, I am uploading a file from the system. As soon as the file is uploaded, you will see an action button, from where you can also delete the file if needed. If needed, you can also add any attachment. Now, I am clicking on Done. Now, I am filling in the mandatory fields to save the contact. In the Name field, I am entering Arun1 and clicking on Submit. Now, your contact has been successfully created with the named document in the contact entity. Another advantage of named documents is that you can also send attachments in your notifications. The notification config settings can only be managed by the co-owner or owner. For this, go to the left menu panel, then navigate to Administration, select Configuration, then choose Notification, and finally click on Notification Config. Here, you can send attachments along with notifications across all modules, such as Enquiry, Support, Task, Contract, and Contact. Here, we will look at the Enquiry module. I am clicking on Enquiry Create. Here, you can send attachments through both email and WhatsApp. You can either add a new configuration or use an existing configuration that has already been created. Here I am first clicking on the email option. If you scroll down, you will see the attachment option. In the document drop-down, you will find the documents that are created for your inquiry. Additionally, the company's named documents will also be visible if they have been created in the named document entity. You can also apply conditions here. When you click on it, the condition option will be displayed. For example, you can define specific conditions based on your requirements. After making all the changes, click on Update Configuration and your configuration will be updated. Now, we will look at the WhatsApp configuration. When you click on it, you will see two options, through body and through query. You can choose either option. The process for adding attachments remains the same. Here, I am selecting through query. If you scroll down, you will see the attachment section, where you need to provide the file URL key. The file URL key is the parameter name defined by your WhatsApp API provider that is used to pass the document's URL while sending an attachment. After making all the updates, click on Update Notification, and your notification settings will be updated. Similarly, named documents work the same for all modules. Now, we have seen how named documents function. With this, we have understood how named documents work and how they help in managing and sharing attachments across different modules. They make the process more organized, consistent, and efficient. Thank you.